Hello guys, welcome to today's show. My name is Nachooks and you're on GFL TV, the home of football. If today is the first time we see our program, for here we bring you football updates all over the world, bring you news from La Liga, Premiership, Syria, and the rest of the world. For now, we'll start with Arsenal Football Club. England don't beat Andorra for their World Cup qualifiers 5-0, and for that match, our star boy Bukayo Saka, the guy shine. The guy scored the second goal for the match, and what he make our belle sweet be say the guy played the whole 90 minutes, so he really enjoyed himself as England win. I no believe that our own keeper self, Ramsdale, no really play. The guy there for Benjamin, so a lot of Arsenal fans they vex with Gareth Southgate. So what they suck now? Why go carry Southgate? I no can go play. You can go choose West Brom's Sam Johnstone. Can go play that one. So what happen now? After all the whole thing, we don't talk on social media, so we won't see our guy. You know, come play. I beg. Make sure say for the match against Hungary, go play him. But that one might be the problem now. But that one, maybe they'll come go bring the number one, maybe Jordan Pickford. Come plan for that match. Well, we know they're too happy, but the only thing they give us little joy, they say Saka play and then score and then enjoy himself. I must stay on the World Cup qualifier for England. Saka don join Wayne Rooney's set record as being the youngest England footballer wey go score back-to-back goals for consecutive games for England. I think to achieve this feat as in the 20 years and 34 days old. Now we say Wayne Rooney self do when Wayne Rooney dey very young. Saka self don join Rooney as the two young players wey dey there, and also he can set Arsenal record as the youngest Arsenal player wey go play for England can score consecutively for 2 matches at a very young and tender age. Well, we dey very happy for this personal feat wey the guy do. So hopefully he go to set more records, they break more as they play for England. Sevilla are they interested in Ben Beretto of Blackburn Rovers, and the one this guy replace El Nesri. Where Arsenal they interested, you know, say Arsenal won't sign this guy. This guy na goal poacher for Sevilla. So now if we say Sevilla don't find replacement, it only give us joy. They make us say okay, then truly they open to selling the guy to us for January. Because we really interested in getting a striker for that January, because this Aubameyang they go Nations Cup, and at the same time Lacazette in future they some kind. I never really understand what they swap it in future. So we need experienced person who will bring in for January, and this is El Nesri. That person we don't consider for a very long time. So they're very happy to say Sevilla don't find replacement. So I can't wait for January. I bet we just add some kind of new faces. Surprise, Saka don dey nominated for 2021 Copa Trophy Award, and this award they make am for the best 10 under 21 players all over the world. So Saka dey there, people like Pedri from Barcelona dey there, among some other young boys who dey for some other clubs who dey play very well, where they shine. So we're very happy so our star boy they shine and in there for all this kind of award. If possible, if we win I go dey very happy, because this all this kind of personal award with the uplifting morale, the gain confidence, even though you know they get team awards. You know, I see the for Arsenal, when last Arsenal win something now you get. So all these kind of personal things with the uplifting morale. Surprise, you get one stats about Pepe where they run around social media. You get the thing they show say Pepe scored just 15 goals in 65 games since we Arsenal buy him for 2019 for £72 million from Lille. But the question why they ask some people is say this stats now, you think say he make Pepe come out good and make him come out bad? Is it a good buy or a bad buy? Giving out 15 goals in 65 appearances, he impress you? Let me know for comment section, because for me, this guy usually do like on and off. Towards the end of last season, he was shining very well. Me say they happy wanted to say come out for me that setting. Call the talk say this is the Pepe we wanted to see. You get say all those he never acclimatized. Say all those one no more. He don't pass. Now Pepe don't acclimatize to the league. Okay, fast forward to this season. We take all this up. We no really they see the guy. We make him quality for Benjamin, and now if you say Saka don't dey for right, don't hold that right position as in own permanent place. Pepe now dey for Benjamin, because if you check Arsenal new lineup now, the first 11, if them complete, Pepe no dey there. Pepe dey for Benjamin. So we never know how this one go make Pepe feel. She will feel say Moku sell Pepe, I Moku still keep him as a replacement, because if you check that right wing now, Bukayo Saka don't take that place, and Saka no be person wey really dey go injured. We go talk say okay, if he get injured, they go draft him Pepe. So now wetin una dey talk now? Shey make we sell Pepe, abi make we keep am? And in 15 goals in 65 appearances, e make sense for una. Our marital spirit they call Football London don't come outside they give analysis about this relationship between Lacazette and Arteta. They're going to talk say even though Lacazette's contract don't be up at the end of the summer and Arsenal never really offer him any contract extension and they don't even intend to offer him a contract extension. So the relationship between and the manager is still very smooth. They get mutual respect for each other. They laugh, they play, they train, they joke. You get say you don't come day one kind of bad say you're not gonna give me contract you can't follow me the shine. Who they laugh with you? You know all those kind of vibes. So you don't come day they say they really like the way Arteta they handle the situation and the way Lacazette self they handle the situation. But moving forward, show that things say truly make Arsenal give this guy a contract extension. I mean, made them truly sell him off. Bring people like maybe El Nesiri or bring people like Dominic Calvert-Lewin or Oli Watkins, you know, or Karim Adeyemi. A lot of people they will don't they linked to. What you not think? Almost surprise, Newcastle don't they close to signing Mauricio Icardi from PSG. Almost this one come as a shock to everybody. Newcastle don't want to start their summer signing from January, and this Mauricio Icardi nobody then they fight for the guy. You know, so Arsenal said one time look say okay, they will need to sign the guy, but the guy can they do one kind. PSG no can talk normal, so Arsenal can jackpot for the deal. But now Newcastle now the money don't jackpot for their side now. They can find how they will take buy this guy. And not be only this guy, they want also carry Brighton coach Graham Potter. They want sack Steve Bruce anytime soon. And with our monitoring spirit, they let us know. In the next coming days now, they will send Steve Bruce away. So once Steve Bruce don't go, then Graham Potter now they go draft him. Once they don't draft that one, because the guy they play tiki-taka and the sabi coach. They don't make Brighton a fortress. If you go for Amex Stadium, that place it be like fortress. They had to beat there. So they won't carry the coach. When the coach comes, you can select people where they will go for. But I don't say no be that Graham Potter self will still carry them go the promised land. They will still buy a professional seasoned coach like maybe Antonio Conte or maybe Mourinho or maybe Ancelotti. You know all the senior men them we don't do for the game for long. We know how to get the best out of players. They will still get one of all those kind of people. We will take them to where they want day. While are they for EPL? Inter Milan they prepare for a move for Lacazette for January. You know, see they won't cut off their ties with Alexis Sanchez. We make a lot of people they talk say make Arsenal go back to for Sanchez. Say the guy is still good, but if he's still good, wait till make Akon the run come for Inter. Wait till make Inter come the pursue him. If you know if he prosper for Inter, see now for Arsenal you can't prosper. And for England you can't prosper. England they will say the pressure, the everything they had. Say him be a big hit for Arsenal before no mean say if he can't come back, he can't become a big hit again. When he go for Man United. Why not transform the form of Arsenal, enter Man U? You don't forget when Alexis did for Arsenal. The guy be like lion of the tribe of Judah. The way the guy they play, senior man. Can't go for Man U, can't go turn goats. Don't feel the play way again. On my bed, many people they talk to me the guy can't join us, we then rest. Because if he can't join us, I can no lie for you. You go derail the progress of some kind people. That's just the truth. So making day where in day. If you want to join another club, then go join. You just be like Ramsey. Some people say they talk to me Ramsey can't join us. So they linked to all these kind of old cargoes. And maybe they do when they did. Obviously, Thomas Partey don't score for the match we Ghana play against Zimbabwe. You see Ghana win 3-1, so Partey self score solo effort, which is very nice. But the team is say why if say go for Ghana setting, go they score. But if you come for Arsenal to score, go they hard. Baba go they wipe shots for middle, go wipe and balloon the ball go up. So I beg, if na personal trainer if you give this guy, making the learn how to wipe shots. Only if Athletic when they score, I don't understand. Come call for Arsenal, I know they score. So I beg me and give a personal trainer, we're going to teach him how to the wipe shot so that he go fit score for us. Now what do we need? You're right, don't come outside, they advise Raheem Sterling. You know, say Raheem Sterling, a lot of people, they reason it matter. And you say this guy, you know, they play regularly for club. But if you go international scene, they play regularly. So that's why Baba they talk, say, see, as you did from Man City now, if Guardiola deem you fit, say, if surplus for requirements, find your square root. They don't tie your destiny for them now. If you don't go fit play for them, how much they even buy this guy from Liverpool? £49 million. So if they want sell themselves, they fit sell them above what they take buy him because the guy is still the hot as they go. When they buy him, he never ever reach a peak. Online, don't they for a peak level. So the guy they hot. Anybody would like to add Sterling for their lineup. So Baba the advice and say make him come up for there. Go join other people. And Newcastle surprise if they go for this guy. You see they need come join them. Arsenal self doing the mix. Say okay, they would like to join this guy. But the problem is say you know they offer him Champions League football, I'm going to offer Europa League football. He will feel calm down because if he come join Arsenal, and some people the reason I'm saying he's going down the pecking order if he comes to join Arsenal. So I never know how the Baba will take out. Whether if you can join us, take up the challenge, then take us back to Champions League and Europa League. Who knows? Well, now football and anything can happen. So my dear football lovers, now here we come to the end of today's show. Tomorrow, I'll come again, come giving a fresh updates as they drop all over the world. And if today is the first time we see our program, don't forget to like our post, share our videos, follow us, and support us. I see that bell notification icon waiting there. Toggle them so that when next we drop videos, YouTube and Facebook will notify you so we don't drop them. Thank you for always supporting us. God bless you.